Welcome to this module on Network Security Fundamentals. In this section, we will cover essential topics including an overview of network security, firewall configuration, and best practices, and an introduction to intrusion detection and prevention system. By the end of this module, you should have a solid understanding of how to protect networks from common threats. Network security is the practice of protecting a computer network from unauthorized access, misuse, or theft. It ensures the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of data and resources within the network. With the increased number of cyber threats such as malware, phishing, and distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks, robust network security is essential. A firewall is a network security device that monitors and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on security rules. It acts as the first line of defense by blocking unauthorized access while permitting legitimate communications. Firewalls can be hardware-based, software-based, or even cloud-based, and they work by applying predefined rules to determine whether to allow or block specific traffic. To maximize the effectiveness of firewall, it's important to follow best practices for configuration. This includes regularly updating firewall rules to respond to new threats, implementing a least privileged access model to limit access, using network segmentation to contain breaches and monitor firewall activity to detect and respond to suspicious behavior. Creating effective firewall rules is crucial for maintaining security without hindering legitimate network activities. The rules should allow only the necessary traffic while blocking any potential dangerous or unnecessary traffic. It's also important to prioritize rules to avoid conflicts and regularly review and update them to adapt new threats and changes in network infrastructure. Intrusion Detection System (IDS) and Intrusion Prevention System (IPS) are essential components of network security. IDS monitor network traffic for suspicious activity and alerts administrators, while IPS goes a step further by actively preventing detected threats. Understanding the key difference and how they complement each other is vital for building a robust security posture. An intrusion detection system (IDS) works by monitoring network traffic and identify unusual or suspicious activity that may indicate an attack. There are two main types of IDS: network-based IDS, which monitor network traffic, and host-based IDS, which monitors activity individual device. While IDS is effective at detecting potential threats, it does not take action to prevent them, making it essential to integrate IDS with other security measures. An intrusion prevention system or IPS not only detects threats like IDS but also takes action to block them. IPS can be signature based, identifying threats based on known attack patterns, or anomaly based, which detect deviation from normal behavior. While IPS can effectively block many attacks, it requires regular update and fine-tuning to minimize false positives and ensure optimal performance. Combining IDS and IPS offers comprehensive approach to network security. While IDS provide valuable insight by detecting potential threats, IPS takes immediate action to block them. By integrating both systems, organization can implement a layer of security approach, enhancing their ability to detect and respond to the threat in real time, and real-world example demonstrate how this combination can significantly improve network security. To wrap up, we've covered the fundamentals of network security, including the critical role of firewall, best practices for configuring them, and how IDS and IPS work together to protect your network. By understanding and implementing this security measure, you can significantly enhance the security of your network and protect it from the wide range of threats.